Hello students, we have already discussed improvement in food resources related to plants. Today we'll be talking about animal resources. When we talk about animal resources, the first thing we talk about is animal husbandry. It is the branch of agriculture that deals with the feeding, the shelter, the health and breeding of domesticated animals. So in this part, we will be talking about cattle farming, we would be talking about poultry farming, fish farming and also beekeeping. So let's start with the very first thing, that is cattle farming. When we say cattle, we generally use them for getting milk or we use them for draught or labor work. तो जो कैटल हमें मिल्क दे रही है उसको हम मिल्च एनिमल्स बोलते हैं एंड विच वी आर यूजिंग फॉर द लेबर वर्क उसको हम ड्रॉट एनिमल्स बोलते हैं. अगर फीमेल है जिसको हम मिल्च या मिल्क प्रोडक्शन के लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो उनमें लॉन्गर लैक्टेशन पीरियड होना बेनिफिशियल रहता है. Now we'll be dividing it into different categories. What are the various breeding methods, how the healthcare is done, how the shelter must be provided. So we'll start with the very first thing, that is breeding of the cattle. तो ब्रीडिंग में नेचुरल मेथड या आर्टिफिशियल इंसेमिनेशन यूज किया जाता है और क्रॉस ब्रीडिंग करते हैं. क्रॉस ब्रीडिंग मीन्स हाइब्रिडाइजेशन, दैट इज वी सेलेक्ट अ लोकल ब्रीड बिकॉज इट इज मोर रेजिस्टेंट टू diseases as it is staying in the local environment, and an exotic breed, for example Jersey, which is giving more milk or having a prolonged lactation period. So local breed when crossed with an exotic breed would form an hybrid which is having both the important characters. It is disease resistance as well as it is giving more milk. So hybrid would be superior to the parents. Then shelter care, there must be proper shelters for the cattle. Sheds बनाए जाते हैं to protect them from heat, from cold, from rain, और उनकी regular brushing भी की जाती है. Feeding, उनको जो feed दिया जाता है उसमें जो खाना उनको दिया जाता है, it must have the roughage, it must have the concentrate. Roughage is mainly the fiber portion और concentrate है जिसमें more of nutrition present है. तो मोर फाइबर मीन्स रफेज, सीरियल्स, ग्रीन फॉडर और लोकल लैंग्वेज में जो हम भूसा बोलते हैं दैट इज व्हाट इज द रफेज. एंड वन एग्जांपल यू कैन लर्न इज बर्सीन. देन कंसंट्रेट मीन्स मोर ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड लेस ऑफ फाइबर. देन हेल्थ केयर उनको हमें पैरासाइट से बचाना है, हमें उन्हें डिजीजेस से बचाना है. सो व्हाट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, ऑल मस्ट बी वैक्सीनेटेड, vaccination must be given. If they suffer from some disease, antibiotics can be given. Regular visit of doctor, veterinary doctor is a must. Parasites, they may be suffering from ectoparasites or having endoparasites, so proper medication must be given. And if they suffer from any communicable disease, it must be treated, otherwise it would spread to all the cattle. Then coming to the next, this we talked about shelter, feeding and healthcare of the cattle. Now we'll move on to the poultry farming. Poultry farming, when we talk about poultry, we are not only talking about chicken, we are talking about ducks, turkey, geese, because all of these provide the egg and meat to humans. So poultry, if we say meat giving, then they are known as the broilers. If they are egg laying, they are known as the layers. So the difference between broilers and layers can be asked. The meat producing ones are the broilers, the egg laying are the layers. The meat producing must be given a diet which is rich in protein, having more of vitamin A, and calculated feed to the egg laying with vitamins and minerals. Same way as we have learned in the cattle, the breeding has to be done, selecting two breeds and cross breeding them. So indigenous या local breed examples you can learn the Asil, the Kadaknath, and exotic the white leghorn which produces बिगर एग्स और इंडिजीनियस मोर रेजिस्टेंट टू डिजीज. जब इन दोनों को क्रॉस किया जाता है, वन इज मोर रेजिस्टेंट, लोकल इज रेजिस्टेंट टू डिजीज, और एक्सोटिक जो बड़े एग्स और सुपीरियर एग्स प्रोड्यूस कर रही है, एंड व्हेन दे आर प्रोड्यूस वी गेट एन हाइब्रिड विच इज हैविंग बोथ द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. Now, why we are needing to improve these varieties? Because we need a better quality, we need more quantity, we need species which are resistant to disease. They can tolerate high temperature, they can feed on cheaper diets and give us more quantity or more of nutrients. So these are various characters for which the improvement has to be done. Healthcare, again, like kettles, we are giving the vaccination, we are giving them the proper balanced diet. The poultry farm should be very clean, must be disinfected. And if any of the poultry bird suffers from a communicable disease, अगर उसे कोई communicable disease हो जाता है, then that bird is isolated and it is buried or burned so that it does not spread to the other poultry birds. So children, we have done with cattle farming, we are done with poultry farming. We will be talking about fish farming. Fish farming is production of the fish. Fishery is done in two ways. It can be capture fishery or it can be culture fishery. When we say capture, capture मतलब पकड़ना, ठीक है? It can be by using fishing nets. We further divide it into two. If the capture is being done in the marine water or in fresh water, it is marine capture or it is inland capturing, that is from the marine, sea and ocean, or from the fresh water or brackish water. If the sea is being caught from sea or ocean, then it is the marine capture and fishing nets are used. And nowadays in modern technology, the satellites are also used to locate large number of fishes. Example of marine fishes, you can give pomfrets, mackerels, tunas, and inland, that is the freshwater fish, you can give rahu and katla. Then coming to the culture fishery, that is breeding, it can be mariculture or it can be aquaculture. If the culture is being done or the fish is being harvested from the sea water, then it is the mariculture. If it is being done in the fresh water, it is known as the aquaculture. Aquaculture we further divide into two. One is the integrated method and one is the composite fish farming. In integrated method, the fish and cropping are joined together. That is, there is a combination of fish culture and aquaculture. Like in paddy, there is lot of standing water, so small fishes, the seeds of small fishes can be introduced in between. So there is a combination of fish along with the paddy, that is what is integrated culture. And when we say composite fish culture, large tanks are made in which 5 to 6 varieties of fish seeds are introduced. Depending on their different feeding habit, they are they may be surface feeder, they may be middle zone feeder, or they may be feeding at the bottom. So they have varied nutrition requirement and they do not compete with one another. So the surface feeder जो top पे होते हैं, example you can give katla and silver carp. The middle ones are the rohu, the bottoms mrigal and common carp. So 5 to 6 varieties फिशेस के एग इंट्रोड्यूस किए जाते हैं एंड कुछ सरफेस पे फीड करती हैं, कुछ मिडिल जोन में फीड करती हैं, कुछ बॉटम जोन में फीड करती हैं. अलग अलग न्यूट्रिशन रिक्वायरमेंट है एंड दे आर नॉट कंपीटिंग विद वन अनदर. देन द प्रॉब्लम फेस्ड हियर, यू कैन गेट अ क्वेश्चन, what is the problem faced in composite fish culture and how we can solve it. The problem faced is that because the fish, they breed in the monsoon season, the availability of the seed or the eggs is difficult. So how it can be solved? It is solved by giving them hormonal stimulation. Hormone treatment करते हैं जिससे eggs available हो जाएं and then they can be used in the composite fish culture. Then coming to the last one, that is the beekeeping or the apiculture. Why do we do beekeeping? For honey, for wax and many more things we get from the bees. Species, there are a number of species. Few I have mentioned: Apis cerana indica, which is the Indian bee; Apis dorsata, that is the rock bee; Apis mellifera, which is the Italian bee. This Italian bee is preferred because it stings less, stays in beehive for long, and collects more of nectar, so makes more honey. Then you would come across a term pasturage. Pasturage are the flowering plants from which the bee is collecting the nectar. And the taste of honey would depend on this pasturage. So children, that's all. We have discussed the cattle farming, the poultry farming, the fish farming and the beekeeping. So this completes your improvement in food resources. Children, like, share and subscribe. अगर आपको कोई problem है, you can always write in the comment section, and anything you want to know or anything you want to study, you can write and ask me in comment section. Thank you so much.